next project for the motorhome improvements is to put in some power sockets on my side of the bed, because it distinctly lacks them. So on this side we've got 2, and over here we're going to put in 2. Okay, so we want it a little bit below the headboard itself, but it's too big to go in, so we need to take off a little bit here. And we're going to take the strip all the way down so it's level. So next thing to do is to take off this board, and if we can get the board off, then we can just cut a straight line down there, make that a little bit smaller so that it fits in. Okay, I'll need a little screwdriver to get underneath these. Oh no, my nails are enough. So, oh no, that's not going to be as easy as I thought, because it's got a lump of wood on the back.
Yeah, I'm gonna I think so. Yeah, I think just take a little. See that? Oh no, wait a minute. Oh, we're being silly. We can just move the whole board over a little bit. Look, you can see where it's actually. The screws have been. We'll just move the board over. We won't even cut it. Yeah, I think that looks good.
That works.
Yeah.
And it doesn't stick out too much this side, because it's level-ish with the headboard.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. So if we had it there.
I think if you want to hide the cable, then we drill a hole through here, drop it down and bring it along the bottom.
Yeah.
That's fine. We're going to have to use the Dremel for that, I think.
Yeah, it would look neater if it went down in there. But it's then getting it in and getting it back out.
Yeah, that's okay. We can do that. Let's just have a look outside.
Okay, let's...
I'll hold the... No, I won't hold the camera. I don't think you can see it.
No, you're too close.
I don't think you can see it. Anyway, there is space, and we can drop the cable down that edge, and we can bring it down along here, out here. There's a bit of give there. I think that's the way to do it. I think we should be good. Get the Dremel in that corner.
I think I'm going to let you do the drilling, because then if you hit the heating, You won't shout at me.
Wouldn't shout at anyone.
I know, you wouldn't really shout at me, but...
I'd go, oh, that's going to be a pain to fix. Okay, so we've decided to use the Dremel in the corner there. I'll start it off with a drill bit, and I have a couple of router bits that we can just use to widen it enough for the cable. Okay, let's see if we can... I think I probably want to just drill this bit and then see if I can Dremel out just that little bit. So I think I'll start here and see if I can do that without making a big mess. Might be able to use. I should have one with a rounded head that allows us to widen it up. There you go. There's one with a rounded head that will make it easier to just widen it up enough for the cable. Right. Just speed that a bit. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. That'll work quite well. I think if I can get it right through and then I'll widen it up. There we go.
That goes in.
We have the technology. There we go. Right, and now just need to get it down and see if we can pick it up from the other end. Because that blue thing won't bend enough.
Okay, so pull this out.
Yeah, gently. Is it jamming?
No, it's coming. Just doing it slowly.
Okay. Maybe it's...
We got it.
There we go. That's brilliant. Let's do this. Right, my plan is to wrap that round there.
Yeah.
Hold that really tight. And then once I've done a couple of these, that should have enough to stop it being pulled off, do you think?
No, I'll give it a go at pulling it before we tuck it down, because that'll be a real pain if you start pulling and it comes apart.
Start again.
To pull it up this side now. So, what are those pipey things called that you poked through?
Yeah, called cable access.
Cable access.
Flex. I forget. Pulling cable pullers.
I don't know. That's that end. Poked it through. Bit fiddly, isn't it? Just to get the cable somewhere neat and tidy.
Yeah, man. Right, I think that's probably enough to hold it, I think, just to get it through.
Okay, you feed it, I'll try and pull it out. Yeah, got it.
So here we are, we've threaded it through the bottom there, the back end, and we're threading it up to join it to the existing power sockets here. Yes, what we're finding is that when we push the rods down, I don't show you, you can actually see that. No, you won't be able to see it. When we push the rods down, we keep getting the rods pushed behind the actual those kind of joiner things for the body.
So, what are we doing now then?
Okay, so the plan is to put that through there like that. There's a little cut out there. Just cut out there. And just join it up. So it's looping up. And then going over to that one. So I need to strip this back and poke that hole through there.
Okay.
There you go. Undo those, and then we'll join them together and use a ferrule to hold them both.
Just checking you have turned the power off.
We have turned the power off. So these have already got a ferrule on it. I think you want to just chop them, and then we'll strip them back and
So cut the ends.
yeah, get rid of those ferrules that are there, and then we'll
Strip them back. Probably going to need to take some of this off.
yeah, probably. But let's just see how we get on here. Right.
Shall I have a go? See if I can strip it from there.
Yeah.
We're leaving that cable tie on there.
Yeah, leave it on for now. I think it'll fit okay. Might be a bit tight, squeeze. If it is, then we'll just cut it off and then we can get the ferrules while you tie them together. I have to pause the camera. Right, hold that.
One more. You see my plaster? I cut my thumb. Blood, sweat and tears, this project. My blood. Your tears. Whose sweat are we going for? Right. So next is to put it back in. So I need to remember which. Right, that's neutral, so that's blue, isn't it?
Yeah. From the UK people.
Yeah, neutral.
Yeah.
That's the earth, and that's the live.
Yeah.
So neutral is blue.
Yeah.
Good guess.
Don't guess with electricity, people. Get a professional in. Could kill you.
Loosen that up a bit. Get it in a bit more. Okay, so blue.
Well, you're already there.
No, no.
I've set the tension to number 1, so it should just stop automatically. There you go.
Well, that was easier. Make me use the manual one. Okay, so
Right.
needs
So,
to go back in there.
yeah, but before we push it in like that, we need to put these clips in to hold the back in. So
Yeah, I need to put the...
yeah, we can do that after it's put in.
Okay.
Pop that back out.
Okay.
Right, let's put this in first. You're gonna have to. Do you want to put the thing into the wall?
Yep.
Okay, so the technique is to put the clips in so that they're held closed by the. Let me see that. So the clips go into there and they're held closed when we push that, so that holds that against the wall.
That way around?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know how thick that wall is.
Don't need it. What's the torch? Definitely need a torch. Let's see.
I can't. Let me see how. You're going to have to experiment to see which one it fits on.
Yeah, let me get a torch. There goes my phone. Who's messaging me this time of night? So how do they sit? So that goes...
No.
I don't know how they sit because I didn't take them out.
All right. Okay. So that's a cantilever. So that has to sit like that to hold the thing in. So that looks too tight on that one. So it's the second one in. And then when you push the plugs in, they hold it. So it's the set. Looks like the second one.
Okay.
Other way.
That way.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Ow. I hit my head now.
Yeah, I've hit my head a few times on there.
Okay, so does that one go in now? And then
Yeah,
you put the
yeah,
bottom
you
one
can
in?
put that one in.
Let's put some light over here.
Feel it. Positive
Okay.
click. Same with the bottom one.
So that way round.
Yeah,
Second one.
yeah, looks like it. Let's see that. Yeah, that looks good.
And then the hole on this one's down there. So second one. Okay. Yay! And the little black things back in there. Little caps. Make sure they're both off.
Yep.
Brilliant.
Okay. Got it. Yeah, I don't think we can make a career out of being YouTube bloggers, can we? Bloggers.
No. But this is just for our own records to look back and see what we did. But you never know, someone might find it useful.
Yeah, it's bound to be someone who's doing something similar. You found. Okay. Sort of undoing everything.
Yeah. So this will go on here.
Yeah, it's okay. You can tell it's going to be
Yeah.
okay because they're below the surface.
Yeah,
That's
so
all
I'd rather not clip it on now and then
right.
have to pull
don't,
it off.
don't.
Okay, so I'll take these screws out. You got another bottle of wine?
Yeah, once you get this done, we check it. I think you need it down a bit, otherwise we're going to hit the top of this against the... Yeah, you can go up 0.5 centimetre. There you go.
There.
Yeah, it was because then this cover would have caught on the edge of the headrest. Nearly there.
Think that's level?
Yeah, I mean, not much you can do. You can only go against the edge.
That one out a little bit.
I moved a little bit there. Do you want me to hold it?
You got it?
Yeah.
I'll go and check, see if I've come out in the bathroom. I don't think I have, but you never know.
Cut yourself again.
Yeah, that's quite a nasty one.
Yeah, right, come on.
Another plaster. Ow, that actually, I don't know what I cut myself on, but that's actually really quite sore.
I heard something crack. Is there something?
It was this, I think.
Okay, right, we're going to have to stop for a bit of minute.
Should we just get it put on?
Okay, go on then.
Unless I start really bleeding badly, and then I'll... Right, so the bottom doesn't matter.
No, this is fine. It's only the back panel that had the cut on it.
Right, I might have to let you do that.
Okay.
Because...
Yeah, you're bleeding everywhere.
Yeah,
Right.
not so much the bleeding, it's just, it's sore, so I can't press on it.
Okay.
Okay. Definitely need another bottle of wine.
Okay. Right, so there's clips along the edge of this which clip onto that bit, and that's all it is that holds it in. So all we need to do is make sure that these guys clip in, and I think it's just a matter of lining it up and then going, lining up and then, crikey, and then going. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's it. That's it done. Then we put the power on.
Well, I think that looks all right. Okay, so I've now realised that the plugs need to be this way round, otherwise they're on top of each other and it's very tight to get two in. Now people might wonder why we've gone for a 3-point rather than 12 volt, and that's because
We have an inverter. We've got a 2000 watt inverter and two 100 amp hour Renogy lithium ion batteries for the hairdryers.
and 4 solar panels that we need to put on the roof. That's
Yeah.
the next project.
Yeah.
So let's check that they all work. So all of this is just so I can dry my hair when we're away. Not that I dry it very often, as you can see the state of it today. Nobody looks like this, but you never know. We might go out somewhere and I might want my hair dried or straightened. So look, that's better. Both fit there nicely now. So let's check with my, oh, they're on. My nice hair straighteners are on, and a nice mirror. Next thing I need to do is to put this lot back together, but that's a job for tomorrow. So this is it all finished. We turned the sockets round because the angle they were at meant that the plugs were on top of each other, and that didn't really work, so I've put them sideways, which works a lot better. Put the board back on, and that's it. Job done.